5 Psychological Tips to Make Others Like You. Whether you're looking to make new friends, build stronger relationships, or simply leave a positive impression, these tips are going to be your secret weapon. Tip number 1, smile and maintain eye contact. It may sound simple, but these 2 gestures can work wonders in establishing a connection with others. When you smile, you exude warmth and approachability, instantly making people feel more comfortable around you. And maintaining eye contact shows that you're genuinely interested in what they have to say. Remember, a smile and eye contact can create an instant bond. Tip number 2, active listening. People love to be heard and understood, so becoming a skilled listener can make you incredibly likable. Show genuine interest by nodding, using verbal cues like "aha" and "tell me more," and paraphrasing to ensure you understand their perspective. By giving your undivided attention and truly hearing what others have to say, you'll earn their trust and admiration. Tip number 3, find common ground. We tend to gravitate towards those who share similar interests and values. So, take the time to discover common ground with the people you meet. It could be a hobby, a favorite movie, or even a shared goal. By highlighting these similarities, you create an instant bond that makes others feel a sense of familiarity and connection with you. Tip number 4, show empathy and kindness. One of the most powerful ways to make others like you is by showing genuine care and understanding. Put yourself in their shoes, acknowledge their feelings, and offer support when needed. Small acts of kindness can go a long way in creating lasting impressions and forging meaningful connections. So, be empathetic, be kind, and watch your likability soar. Tip number 5, use the power of positive body language. Did you know that our body language speaks louder than words? By adopting open and welcoming postures, such as uncrossed arms, leaning slightly forward, and maintaining good posture, you communicate approachability and confidence. Also, be aware of your facial expressions. A friendly and relaxed demeanor instantly makes you more likable,